Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is a little bit different than usual. I have a very old quadcopter in here and I just got it. So this is the Eacine Wizard, and now there's already 3 revisions of the Eacine Wizard. This is the first one ever made, and they're about to stop production, which is the reason why I went ahead and picked one up. One thing, it's a good price. Another thing, it's a pretty good quadcopter. I mean, not compared to the latest, you know, super high-end quadcopters. It's still a quad and it still flies pretty decent. And I truly believe these are going to be a collector's item. I mean, this is my opinion. I mean, I think these quadcopters, especially the first 3, like the Eacine Wizard, the Eacine Racer 250, the Hakcrc, one of them, the Eacine Falcon 250. Like, I still wish that I could still get an Eacine Falcon 250 and an Eacine Racer 250, the first versions, because those really strike my heart, and I'm pretty sure that, you know, that's what really got me started, and it just, you know, just got that passion going. And this is also one of them that I wish I had gotten, and now once I heard they're about to stop production, I immediately went and jumped on it before it's gone. Now the price is pretty cheap, I think $100 right now, and it's a pretty good backup quad if you're going to use it. But however, for me, I'm actually going to collect this. I'm going to set this up on the side, pack it up, put it away, and then in a couple years come back and visit this. If the channel's still going 10 years from now, 20 years from now, we'll take another look at it and try to take it for a fly. I think it'll be pretty interesting. But yeah, these things are gonna stop in production, so if you ever wanted one, or you have a little $100 to spare, I highly recommend you go grab one and just keep it. I mean, it's really nice. Look at this. I mean, obviously there's better, but it's just something about these first gen, I would consider them first gen, because I think those are what really started a lot of people in this hobby, including myself. I was just always watching videos of this one, and I was just like, oh my god, I wish I've gotten the Wizard, and now I have it in my hand, maybe like a year and a half or 2 years later, and 2 years later I think. And it's a nice little quadcopter, I'll tell you that right now. It's a nice little beast. You got your motor protectors, you got your 2205 motors, 2300 kV, you got your 20 amp ESCs here, and which could take a 4S, which a lot of people flew 4S on. They're actually rated for, yeah, they're rated for a 4S too, so that's pretty crazy. So, you know, good job Eacine. I think, you know, I think Eacine really helped a lot of people get started, especially with those packs that were ready to fly. You know, they'll give you the Fly Sky transmitter, or they give you the Fly Sky transmitter and then the little attachment that attaches the screen, and all these kinds of cool little things. And especially goggles. I mean, if it wasn't for Eacine, goggles would still be hella expensive. And I just thought I would share this little thought with you guys, or this little, you know, Eacine Wizard. There's a lot of videos online about it, you can watch it, but it's just it just puts a smile on my face, and I just really wanted to share that with you guys. And they're stopping production. They'll be gone pretty soon. You're not gonna be able to get one of these again. And yeah, I just want to let you guys know that if anyone wanted to go pick one up before they're gone. I know I did, so I'm pretty sure maybe at least 1 or 2 of you probably want to do that as well. And yeah, it's a nice one. I don't know if I'll fly it. I don't even want to fly it. I just want to keep it. I just want to collect it. I have everything. You know, it was also pretty cool when it first came out. I was reading the post and it was like, oh, it comes with so many props. Oh my goodness. You know, I could order it and then order the props and wait another 50 years and I'll still have some props possibly left over while I fly it. So it's really nice. I mean, look at this. Check this out. It comes with this little antenna here, a dipolar antenna, which is really nice. I mean, I don't think you heard of a lot of people breaking these antennas back then, which is really cool. You're not going to get the biggest distance there, but I mean, a long range in a way. You get some carbon fiber tools and stuff. Overall, this thing was an absolute beauty when it first came out. I wish I flew it when it first came out though, but I don't want to ruin this one. I want to keep it as like a little collector's item, because these might hold a lot of sentimental value for a lot of people in the future. And yeah, once they stop production, it's just gonna be, I'm just glad I got one before they did. So we can say farewell now, and now I'm not gonna hit myself in the back of the head. I don't even remember if it had an OSD here. I think it has an SPF3. Oh my goodness, an SPF3 and a PDB under it. So there's a lot of space in there. Look at that. That's just huge. And yeah, so that's going to conclude it for this video, guys. Just want to let you know they're going to stop production of this. And if you want to go ahead and pick one up before they do, because they're on a pretty good price right now. And it's a really nice little backup quad that, you know, will work pretty good. And be very nice on your batteries as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys have any questions or any suggestions, feel free to let me know. I'll leave a link to this guy down below so you can say it's farewell. Maybe in about a month or two time, it'll probably be out of stock and out of or discontinued. So, well, that's it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just wanted to share my opinion out there, and I will see you next time. Peace out, guys.